Hello everyone. This is Aaron from Lida Group China. First, let's see the video of our company.
Beifang Heng Lida Steel Structure Company Limited, established in 1993, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of prefabricated house, steel structure, container house, poultry farm. We have professional architectural designer team and skilled installation team. We are located in Qingdao with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including numerical control automatic cutting machine, H-section steel processing machine, automatic submerged arc welding machine, shot blasting machine, sandwich panel production line, Pinnacle X5 light gauge machine. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001-2000, CE, BV certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to more than 140 countries and regions such as United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Angola, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, France, Poland, Russia, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Australia, Equatorial Guinea, Chile, Uruguay, Brazil, and so on. Especially we have made container house for UN Army, and we made cooperation with Saudi Arabia, Lida Group. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
Okay, thank you for watching. And next, we would like to share the detailed presentation of our company. Let's see our PPT file. The abbreviation of our company is Lida Group. The full name is Weifeng Heng Lida Steel Structure Corporation Limited. My name is Aaron. This photo is our factory office. The buildings in the back are our warehouse and workshop. Our Lida Group is founded in 1993, and we had 26 years experience in the field. And we have exported our products to 145 countries. Please take a quick look at these photos. You will see our 4 types of products. The first, container type house. The second, prefabricated house. The third, steel structure building. The last, the light gauge steel villa. Next, let's introduce our products in detail one by one. The first, container house. This is a diagram of the product. The size is 6 meters by 2.4 meters. You will see each part of it from this photo. Roof and floor, 15 pieces of wall panel, 2 windows and 1 door, and electricity system and other accessories. They can be used as temporary accommodation, office. Okay, just a moment. They can be used as office, accommodation, meeting room, guardhouse, kitchen, toilet, and so on. Why these products are so popular, and what's the advantages for this kind of container house? The first, smart design. The standard size is 6 meters by 2.4 meters. One unit or many units could be combined together with such standard model. 2, quick assembly. Flat pack containers can be assembled in very short time. 3 persons could install 1 container with half a day. 3, easy transportation. Flat pack containers are easy to be transported. We have 2 solutions of package. Package 1, 4 units of container house could be packed as 1 20 feet SOC shipping containers. Package 2, 6 units of this container house could be loaded in 140 feet high cube shaped containers. So they could be loaded directly on a trailer and can be sent to another site very easily. 4. Durable with a long lifetime. The lifetime is around 20 years. This project is located in the far east of Russia. It consists of 200 units, 20 feet container house. It includes office, conference room, kitchen, dining room, dormitory, and so on. This is our another project in South Sudan. This is a UN army camp. This is a container office building with glass wall, glass door, glass window. It looks luxury. It's really good looking. Okay, our second product is a prefabricated house. This is a finished project in Southeast. Prefab house is a green economy and quick assembly building system, which is formed by the main structure, square steel tube or column, C-channel steel for roof truss and purlin, wall and roof system. We always use sandwich panel, and door and windows and other accessories. Because its advantage is like fast production, fast installation, low cost. Prefab house is widely used and labor camp, refugee camp, mining camp, dormitory accommodation, toilet, and shower, laundry, kitchen, the dining hall, recreation hall, Moscow hall, site office, clinic, and extra. These photos are our finished project in China or in foreign countries recent years. Our third product is steel structure building. This is a diagram of the steel structure warehouse, workshop. You will see every member of it. The main steel frame, including the column, the beam, the purlin, the bracing, and the envelope system, the roof panel, the wall panel, and other accessories, doors, windows, ventilation, skylight, and inside there is crane or other accessories. Characteristics of this steel structure building. 1. Wide span. Single span or multiple span is okay. The maximum single span is 36 meters without any middle column. Low cost. Unit price runs from $35 to $70 per square meter according to a request. 3. Fast construction and easy installation. 4. Long using life, up to 50 years. Others, for example, environmental protection, stable structure, good earthquake resistance, waterproofing, and energy conserving. They can be used as workshop, warehouse, cold storage building, airport, hangar, showroom building, commercial building, farm building, and so on. These photos are our finished project recent years: a warehouse, a workshop, commercial building, workshop, fish processing plant, warehouse, and workshop. Okay, our last product is a light gauge steel villa. They can be used as government housing project, school, hospital, and living house, and so on. They have many advantages. For example, anti-seismic, 9-degree, wind resistance, 12-degree, durable, fireproofing, soundproof, lightweight, energy saving. The important is the fast construction and fast installation. For example, 200 square meter house only need 1 month to produce and another 1 month to install. Okay, and then we would like to share our clients. We have cooperated with many top-list international contractor and oil and gas company. For example, UN, Aramco, Lida Group, Gazprom, Caterpillar, we built, and we also the long-term qualified supplier of many Chinese large steel-owned company, China State Construction Engineering Corporation, China Communication Construction, Power China, Sinopec, China Railway Group Limited, China Power Construction Corporation. These are our certificates. You can see ISO, CE, Health and Safety Certificate, Environmental Management System Certificate, and other contracting steel structure and contracting construction certificate. This is our contact information. You can take these photos or take a screenshot of this page. If you are interested in our products, or if you have any request of steel structure building or prefab house, please contact us and inform us your detailed requirement. For example, the size and the size, the length, the width, the height, and we will provide the proposal for you. Okay, the above is our introduction of our company, and last, we would like to show the model of our products. This is a model of 2-unit container house, a 2-unit container house combined together and a big house. This is a single unit 1 container house with bathroom and 1 bedroom. This is a model of steel structure workshop. You can see every member of this house building, the frame, the roof and wall, the other accessories, window and doors and cranes, and the skylight. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.